Good morning, my dear student. Today we will learn the second part of create and apply styles in the document. In the second part, we will complete the three topics: useful format, load a style from the template or from another document, create a new style using drag and drop method. So I'm going to new document. To create new document, you have to press Ctrl plus N. I have already opened the new document. Here you can see there are the two lines. I'm going to the downside. Then I'm going to the home tab. In home tab you will find styles category. In styles category you will find the right down arrow. Click there. You will find the drop down list box. The style which you want to apply, click on it and then click on format painter and apply the style wherever you want, on the particular sentence or on the particular paragraph. So again and again you have to use format painter. First select style, like I want heading 1. I will click heading 1 and then I'll click on format painter and then I will drag the insertion point to the particular sentence. You will see now the second style will be converted into the subtle emphasis style. So this is a way to use the fill format. This thing you can apply in OpenOffice Writer also. So how to apply in OpenOffice Writer? I am going to the OpenOffice Writer. Here I am typing a sentence. This is a style. Now I will open the style and formatting option. Then I will choose any one style, like heading 1 style, and then this is a fill format mode. Now I will click on fill format mode and just I have to fill this format. I have to click on the particular word or sentence. For it I have to drag the fill format to the particular sentence. So by this method the particular sentence will be converted to heading 1 style. So this is a use of fill format option in OpenOffice Writer. And the second topic is load a style from template or another document. So how to create another document? So first of all I will create a document. To create a document I will press Ctrl plus N. This is a style. Now I'm selecting it. I'm going to the home tab. I'm going to the right down arrow of style group. I'm applying any one style, like title style, or if I want to use any new style, so I will click on new style. I will give the style name like my style. I will change the font type bold, and if I want to change the font color I will change the font color also. Then I'll click on OK. Now you can see the my style is added here. Now I'll save my file by clicking on Office button. I will click on save option. Then on desktop I will save my file with name my file. Now click on save button. Now I am closing this document. Now here I want to use that style. So how to use that style? Now when you find the styles drop down list, at the bottom side you will find the third button is manage styles. Click on manage styles. In manage styles drop down list box you will find the import and export button. Click on import export button. in the when you click on import export button, you will find the organizer window. In organizer window, you will find the styles tab. In the style tab, in the right hand side, you will find close file button. When you click on close file button, the close file button will be converted into the open file button. Click on open file. Now you will find the open dialog box. Go to the desktop. Now choose your file. To choose your file, click on all files. Now click on my file which you have created to apply the style. Now click on open. Now my file styles are added here. The style which you want to add, click there and click on copy button. When you click on the copy button, that style, it means my style, will be added to our document. Now click on close button. Now if you want to apply the my style, click on the particular sentence and now click on my style. So this is a way to load the style from another document. By this method you can load the template also. Now the third option is create a new style using drag and drop option. So to create a new style, we have by using the drag and drop option, we have to use OpenOffice Writer. I'm going to create a new document. Here I am typing my file. Now I'm selecting my file word and here I'm going to change the font name, font size. I'm making it bold. I'm changing color. I'm increasing the size by 28. Okay, now this is a style which I have applied to the particular word. This style, by this style I want to create a new styles using the drag and drop option. So first of all I have to open the style and formatting window, open the style and formatting window and then select my file, press left mouse button and drag to the style and formatting window. Now when you click on the style and formatting window, or you can call it text pane, you will find create style window. In create style window you will find to type style name. I am giving the style name is style 1 and then I am giving the name style 1 and I am clicking on OK button. Now you can see by this method style 1 is created. So this is a way to create the new style using drag and drop method. This is for today. In the next class we will learn about the templates. Thank you and have a nice day.